Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss another topic of English grammar, that is letter writing. In this topic, we will discuss the format of a letter, how to write a letter. So let's start letter writing. Letter writing. Why do we write a letter? So, we write letters to communicate information, ideas, suggestions, requests, complaints, etc. Writing good letters is a skill. So, children, you know now we write letters. Why do we write letters? We write letters to communicate ideas, information, etc. etc. And there are two types of letters. How many types of letters? Two types of letters: formal letters and informal letters. Informal letters are written to people whom we know closely and personally. Look at the list. Informal letters, just as friends, relatives, uncles, aunts, cousins, parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters. So, is it okay? Informal letters are written to people whom we know closely and personally. They are our relatives. As well as formal letters. Formal letters include invitations, applications, letter of complaint, suggestions, letter to the editor of a newspaper or magazines, etc. Just as if you write down an application to your class teacher, to your principal, that is called formal letters. Is it okay? Look at the list: applications, principal, teachers, official letters, business letters, letters to editors. That is called formal letters. So, is it okay? Informal letters are those which we are written to our relatives, and informal letters are those letters which include invitation, applications, etc. etc. Is it okay? Here we will learn the format of informal letters. Format means how should we write the informal letters. First of all, you should know about the format, because if your format will be wrong, your marks will be deducted. So it's very necessary that your format will be right. So let's start with the format of a informal letters. Just as there is an example, write a letter to a friend who has met with an accident. Here we will write down a letter to your friend who has met with an accident. So, first of all, what should you write? Just as you can see, your address. Normally, informal letters has 5 parts. How many parts? 5 parts. So, the first part is address. Your address, sender's address. So, first of all, just as in this letter, E10 Ganga Housing Society, Worli, Mumbai. So, in this space, you will write down your own address. You will just not copy for this address. You have to write down your address, sender's address, who is written a letter. So, here you will write down your address, and it is your address on the left hand side of the letter. Which side? Left hand side. And no comma is placed after the lines of the address, and the date is written along with the address. You can see there is also a date. So the date is written along with the address. First of all, you write down your address. After that, you will write down the date, the same date on which you are writing a letter. Not you will write down this date, March 17, 2018. you have to write down. Just as if you are writing a letter today, then you will write down the date, today date. Is it okay? After that, the greetings, salutations. Greetings mean it is written below the date after leaving a line and begin with a capital letter and may write example dear. Dear, just as if you write down your letter to your friend, then you will write down the name of your friend, dear Rajesh. Suppose your friend name is Mahesh, then you will write down dear Mahesh. Is it okay? If you write down a letter to your uncle, then you can write down dear uncle. So is it okay? Greetings, that is called greetings. After that, body, the main part of the letter, and it contains the reason for writing the letter. Means in this part you have to write down the reason by which you write the letter. What is the reason by which you write a letter? So here in this part you have to write down the reason for writing the letter. And if it is long, divide the body into 2 paragraphs. In this letter it is not very long, so here is only a 1 paragraph. But suppose if your letter is long, that you can divide the letter into 2 paragraphs. One paragraph has one main point and its discussion, being the body of the letter with the capital letter, and your letter should begin with the letter, capital letter. Is it okay? Now next, the closing or conclusion, that is your friend, and the letter should end in a polite way. Your letter should be end in a polite way. Means you can write down your loving friend. If you write down your uncle, then you can write down your loving son, your friend, truly yours, your sincerely, your affectionately. So you can write down these words in the closing of the letter. Now last, signature. In informal letters, the letters to family and friends, you put your first name, or even you can write down your pet name also. So it's not need to write down your full name. You can write down your first name only. Just as if your name is Tarun, then you can write down here Tarun, and whatever is your name, you can just not copy Tarun. You have to write down here your name, because it's a last, it's a signature. It's a signature who is written a letter. So understood the format of the letter? I repeat in a short manner again. Informal letter has 5 parts. First of all, address, which is on the left hand side. Your address, not your friend, your address, who is written a letter, and the date is written along with the address. After that, greetings or salutation, dear Rajesh, dear uncle, dear aunt, dear mother, as want you know. After that, the body, the main reason. After that, the closing, conclusion, that is in a very polite manner. And last, your name, and you can say your signature. So this is the format of an informal letters. And students, remember one thing, your letter will be just in that format. If your format is wrong, then your marks will be deducted. Is it okay? So students, you have to write down this letter with the format in your notebook. With the format, just as you can see in a book, then there is a format, there is a line, and here is the writing your address, date, greeting, body. That is called the format. So you have to write down this letter in your notebook with the format, so that you can easily understood. Is it okay? Here is another letter for your practice. The letter is letter to uncle thanking him for the birthday gift. Here you have to write down a letter to your uncle for thanking him for your birthday gift. So, according to the format, first of all, address. Mayo College, Ajmer. But here you have to write down your address. Whatever your address, you have to write down here your address, not Mayo College, Ajmer. You have to write down your address along with date. On which date you are writing a letter. So, first of all, your address along with date. After that, my dear uncle. Greetings. Because you are writing a letter to your uncle, so you write down my dear uncle. After that, reason. Why are you writing a letter? So, the reason is every birthday you have surprised me with your presents, but this year it was really special. I can't thank you enough for the beautiful Titan quartz watch that you have sent. Its intricate golden band fits me perfectly, and I love its unique design. It is certainly my most prized possession. It will be extremely useful for me and make me punctual. Also, it will always remind me of your love for me. Convey my thanks and regards to Auntie. I miss you both and look forward to seeing you during my holidays. After that, the closing. Your loving nephew and your name, your first name. So, understood? According to the format, you have to write down letter. First of all, I repeat again, sender's address along with date, greeting, reason or the body of the letter, the closing and your name. Is it okay, students? And I repeat again and again that if your format will be wrong, then your marks will be deducted. So, your letter should be according to the format. And students, you have to write down both the letters in your notebook and learn format. Format, what is format? Then first of all, we have to write down sender's address along with date, greetings, reason, closing and first name of a writer. So this is the format of an informal letter. Thank you for watching this video.